Today, with best tech technology, we have a product that many will be happy with because it will save us from a lot of work. Follow us to know this amazing product from Amazon. Introducing the Lubluelu 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo with precision laser mapping and navigation. This intelligent robotic vacuum cleaner scans and recognizes the layout of your home with superior accuracy. Control your cleaning experience effortlessly with the Smart Life app. Monitor the cleaning route, schedule cleanings, adjust suction and water levels, and even create no-go zones. And with Alexa and Google Assistant integration, simply use your voice to command the robot to start or stop cleaning. Never miss a spot. The Lubluelu SL60D saves your cleaning progress, and even when the battery is low, it automatically charges to 80% and continues cleaning where it left off. Equipped with a brushless motor and 3,000 pascals suction power, the Lubluelu SL60D effectively removes dust, pet hair, and dirt from carpets, hard floors, and even hard-to-reach areas. Plus, when it detects a carpet, it automatically increases suction for a deeper clean. Say goodbye to dirt and stains with the 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. The precision micro-control water pump supports adjustable water flow, ensuring dry or wet mopping as needed. The Y-shaped mopping design mimics manual mopping, leaving your floors impeccably clean. Save up to 5 maps with advanced multi-map technology. Customize cleaning schedules for different floors, eliminating the need to remap each time you switch floors. Choose from various cleaning modes like automatic cleaning, edge cleaning, spot cleaning, and more. Set up to 10 no-go zones to protect specific areas in your home. Whether it's a carpet, pet area, or your children's play area, enjoy smart and customized cleaning with 22 sensors and AI recognition technology. The SL60D robot vacuum detects and avoids obstacles with precision, ensuring it doesn't fall from stairs or edges. Its upgraded off-road wheels effortlessly cross obstacles up to 18 millimeters, 0.71 inches. Hi.
for real. This is for real. Bang, bang, bang. I'ma make you move like hey, hey. This is for real. Bang, bang, bang. I'ma make you move like hey, hey, hey.
Experience the future of cleaning with the Lubluelu 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Get yours today and enjoy a cleaner, smarter, and more effortless home. You will find the purchase link in the description box. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Goodbye!